Hello, this is a game app and there is no sign up or registration form in this app. We want user to direct login on one touch on Facebook button. So the user can directly access this application on one touch on Facebook button. So there is no registration page in this app. But we need a user's location for some inner purposes. Let's look on that. When we click on Facebook, we have declared a location policy form so that user can accept or decline this form. When user accept, we show a permission dialog. When user accept this permission, user can access this app on just single click on Facebook button. Okay, now this is some tutorial screens. Okay, when user enter in this app, then he can play a game with opponent user. So let's start a game. Okay, now I got a opponent user. The username is Vicky, and you can see that we are showing a country flag of this user. This is my country flag and this is other user's country flag. So for this country flag we need a user's location. We are getting this country flag on the basis of user's location, as there is no registration page in this form. So we need user's location to show the country flag of opponent users. And now we can start game. Okay, you can see that there are my three opponent users, and we need to show a country flag on the basis of their locations. You can see a Jack, Vicky, Scarlett. So for these country flags we need users location. And one more use of this is when user want to see a scoreboard or a leaderboard. This is the scoreboard, and we are showing users with their country flag. You can see these users with their country flag. You can see we are showing country flag of each users. You can see Rohan, KIPL, MyKPL, Gaurav are from Indian country flag, and Alistair is from some another country flag. So if we want to show, if we want to filter these players on the basis of user country, so that user can click on this icon. After that, all the users will be filtered according to the logged in users country. You can see that this is the logged in users country flag, and the filter and all the users are filtered according to the logged in users country. If we want to remove this filter, we can again click on this. You can see all the users from all the different countries are showing here. Now I again click on my filter. All the users are from same country. So for this type of functionality we need users location, and there is no, we need users country, and there is no sign up form in this page. We, without that, without location, we cannot show the country flag and this filter functionality in this app. For that we required users location. Without this we cannot show this functionality in this app. Thank you.